Class 8, welcome back to the Moral Science class. Last class, we read up to this part, I think so, this part, winter food. That the Ronnie had broken his arms and he was disappointed that he couldn't collect the food for the winter season. But his friends they showed their gesture and they offered the food, and Ronnie has managed it. Then come to the next part. Is that why our tribe stories food grains after the harvest so we can survive the winter? Asked Nakos. Now, Nakos said that the weird tribes stories stores food grains and then why for the winter season. That's right, Legi said. Now, the conversation between Nakos and Legi, they said yes. On the way home, Nakos and Legi stopped to swim in the cool, refreshing water of the nearby river. Nakos enjoyed swimming with nearby river. Nakos enjoyed swimming with the nearby river, and Nakos enjoyed swimming with Legi. So children, I am started the reading part, page number 10 from chapter 2. You just open your book and go through the page number 10, first, second, third and the fourth paragraph, that is on the way home, like that. So they enjoyed in the swimming pool. Just then Legi saw a young boy walking towards them. I would better hide behind the bushes, said Legi. Legi was frightened and she told that Nakos, let me hide in the bush so that the stranger boy I had seen. Nakos did not know who the boy was. He was not from the village and he had very dark skin. Actually, the boy was from a tribal society, North America side, like this, the North Plains. So he was not, he couldn't, Nako could not, I'm sorry, Nako was not from tribal. There was another boy, I will tell you the name. He saw the boy and he was surprised that he was not come from the village, and he had very dark skin. He must be from another tribe. So Nakos was a tribal people, but he saw the boy, but he was not from their society. So who was he? Let's see. Let's see who was he. So I'm closing it. This, you see the line. Hey, friend, he called. My name is Nakos. What's yours? My name is Spire. He is the word Spire. Underline. The boy was Spire. He was also a tribal boy. Spire. Answered the boy. Nakos invited Spire to swim with him in the river. I can't swim, said Spire, but I would like to try. He said, I can't swim, but I would like to try. Let me teach you, said Nakos. It's fun. Nakos was a good teacher, and the new friends had great fun in swimming together. So this part is they have enjoyed in the swimming. Now tell, what happened to Spire? What is the name of your tribe? Nakos asked, from which tribal society you belong to? We are the No-Coats. No-Coats means North Plain areas people from the Great Plains, far from here. Great Plains. He came from Great Plains. Spire answered, the Great Plains. Now this part is very important. Read very carefully. What is the temperature of this part? Is 30. The Great Plains are very hot, and for 30 moons heat has not rained. Our wells remain dry and our crops died. So we left the Great Plains and traveled north to look for food. But now our people are tired. The people are tired. So what they have done? The big people became tired. So what they have done that before he could proceed with his story, the boys saw a group of Spire was started a story, and the group of boys were walking towards them. They were from Nako's village. Hey Nakos! Now they are asking, hey Nakos, who is that boy with who is that with you? Asked Natcha, one of the boy. This is my new friend Spire, who comes from. Nakos was interrupted by Rukka, because they said that you are telling coming my new friend, but see, now they are what they are saying. Let's see what they are telling. Let's see. I am holding this very tightly, page number 11. Okay, then say the boys who pointed at Spire and says he's not from our tribe. Look how dark his skin is. He is wearing the black and black. He is wearing the black beard. Means he is looking like black. Listen, children. In history, also we have noticed that dark skin are neglected with the white skin. Very recent, there is a fight between dark skin and the white skin. So that I will analyze next day. Today emphasize the question and answer from chapter 2. Today I will discuss only 2 questions. Rest 2 questions I will discuss you on the next day. What had happened to Ronnie 1 year? Why did the other friends help him? Ronnie broke his arm and failed to collect enough winter food with his broken arm, and he was disappointed. Then what his friends had done, his friends had helped him from the forest. His friends from the forest had shared their food with Ronnie, and he had ever overflowing stock of winter food because his friends helped him. This is question number 1. Please go through. Question number 1. Go through. Now question number 2. Question number 2. What did Spire tell Nako? Spire told that he could not. Okay, I forgot to write word that. I am writing for you now. Told that he told that, here I have written told. Please go through. Here I have written. Okay, now I am holding this way. I hope you can see very clearly. Spire told that he could not swim, but he could try. He also explained that they were Nokod's people from the Great Plains. Great Plains were very hot, so they traveled north to look for food, but they were tired. So this is the question number 2. Again I am reading it. Spire told that he could not swim, but he could try. He also explained that they were, here I have written they were, see, that they, here is where, that they were Nokod's people from the Great Plains. Great Plains were very hot, so they traveled north to look for food, but they were tired. So next day, 2 question answer already I have finished. I have finished the reading part of page number 11. Next day, only one or two pages are left. These 2 pages are left. I will finish and then do the rest of 2 question answer. Only 4 question answer and the word meanings from this chapter. I will teach you how much I have taught you. That only you will write. For today, you learn and stay blessed. Bye bye.